Imagine a private island in the Caribbean. Crystal blue waters, lush tropical foliage, and a collection of luxurious architecture that rivals some of the most stunning estates ever built. This is Little St. James, a 70-acre island once owned by financier Jeffrey Epstein. Today, we're not just exploring its infamous reputation, but its architecture. The design choices, the mysterious structures, and the lavish compounds that make it visually unforgettable. From colonnaded villas to bizarre blue-striped pavilions topped with golden domes, this island's buildings evoke awe and deep curiosity. So stay tuned, because we're diving into the luxury, design, and questions behind one of the most talked-about private estates in the world. Little St. James, the island and its design. Little St. James is nestled in the United States Virgin Islands. Epstein acquired it in the late 1990s and over 2 decades transformed what was once a modest private island into a sprawling compound of residences, guest houses, and elaborate amenities. At the heart of the estate stands the main residence, redesigned by acclaimed architect Edward Tuttle, known for high-end resort design, featuring colonnaded facades, grand terraces, and panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. Additional structures included several villas, utility buildings, docks, and even luxury guest cabanas scattered throughout the property. The layout combined privacy with exclusivity, isolating each building within verdant lawns and stone pathways. It was more than a home. It was a private sanctuary, crafted for comfort and spectacle. The most iconic building, the temple. Yet no single structure on the island captured attention like the enigmatic building known colloquially as the temple. Painted in striking blue and white stripes and once crowned with a golden dome, it stood apart from any traditional Caribbean villa. To many, it looked like a classical pavilion plucked from a surreal dream. A square footprint encircled by decorative terraces and geometric mosaics, statues flanking its entrance, and broad windows revealing nothing but speculation. Despite its temple-like appearance, its true purpose remains unclear. Some architectural records suggest it may have originally served as a music pavilion, intended for performances or social gatherings. What's undeniable is its visual impact, a bold, almost otherworldly landmark that contrasts sharply with the typical tropical aesthetic. Architecturally, Little St. James blended luxury villa design with eccentric motifs. The main house was classic in form, evoking Mediterranean influences. In contrast, the pavilion's bold color scheme and geometries felt almost theatrical. Luxury architects often incorporate elements that surprise, delight, or challenge traditional forms. But here, the combination also sparked debate and curiosity. Was this place meant to impress its guests, or to shape an entirely different experience? Elements like terraces overlooking the ocean, hidden alcoves, and sprawling views all speak to a design intent focused on exclusivity and retreat, architecture as solitude rather than community, architectural legacy, and public fascination. Today, the island's story is inseparable from controversy, yet its architectural imprint ignites ongoing fascination. Structures like the main house and the striped pavilion have become symbols not just of wealth, but of how architecture can evoke emotion, mystery, and legacy. Carved in stone and steel. While the island changed hands and its future remains uncertain, the design choices continue to captivate architects, historians, and the curious alike. They remind us that architecture isn't just shelter, it's narrative, personality, and legacy carved in stone and steel. Whether you see beauty, strangeness, or something in between, there's no denying that Little St. James challenges the way we think about luxury architecture, especially when it exists in the most isolated corners of the world.